Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech. It's November 2nd, 2022. We're doing a daily debrief of our ongoing Kata challenge and just showing how profitable and consistent this is. We're trading again our standard symbol, EWZ, the Brazil ETF. Why do we trade EWZ? Because we get these huge kinds of moves intraday. It's liquid, it's volatile, it's everything you want in an intraday trader. So these blue vertical lines is when I started trading, and then when I stopped trading for the day. So I was only trading about an hour and a half today, came in around 9:30 after taking care of some stuff this morning. These yellow boxes is our risk, which is how much we're willing to risk, or standard risk for each trade, which we use the R10 statistic, which is a range stat, divided by 10, 13 cents. Use that for our position sizing as well. So what we had, I started trading again here at the blue vertical line. What I saw was this move down, and Brazil was down also, almost 3%, and basically just wanted to trade this collapsing dragon. So we had this move down, this pullback, started to come back down. It didn't, if it was going to work, it would go up here, but instead it didn't even make it up to the PSAR, the dragon, and just started to fail again. So I sold it there with standard risk, and didn't work out. Went basically right against me. So got stopped out here. And that was the start of a new pattern, which is our, you could call this actually a Kata 2, because we had this low down here, and then we had a higher low here. So on the PSAR flipped, I got out and stop and reverse, got in here with that same risk box here, went sideways, got almost, a couple ticks away from getting stopped out here, but we were just using a trail stop. I was doing some other things, so just put the trail stop in. And then here's the Fed announcement from today. So by that time, it had already started working. So I just stayed with the trade through the Fed announcement. And this is why trailing stops are so nice. It shot up, got to about 5.5 R, pulled back 1 R, got stopped out of the trade for 4.5 R on that one, plus about the -1 R loss. So that's 3.5 R for the day. At that point, I just said, you know what, that's enough. So stopped trading, went on to other things, but 3.5 R in about an hour and a half, I'll take that any day. If you want to know more about the Kata challenge, it's part of our Applied Systems Development course. Go to ablewaytech.com for more details about how to trade in a systematic, controlled fashion with real markets, so that we can build up the skills we need to make consistent profits. Thanks for watching.